Okay, we just survived a pretty big crash. We'll talk about all of that, how this affects Shiba Inu in the long term, in the short term. What are my positions right now? You'll learn all about that if you watch the video all the way until the end. Before we start, make sure you also like, subscribe, really helps out. Keep in mind that I'm no financial advisor. I'm a really simple, random dude on the internet. Just analyze these charts just like anyone could. And for some reason, I get a lot of things right. I called out the crash in crypto, the peak at 36K. I warned you guys about the Shiba Inu crash, the dead cat bounce on Baby Doge, and alerted you guys about Baby Doge and how dead it is. When it was at the top, Jindu Inu, all that jazz, called the bottom for Shiba Inu on the 22nd of June, SafeMoon. But anyone with some brain, some technical analysis skills can do that. I chucked in around 5 grand today into my futures account. It's at 4 grand right now. I'm only down on this position around $200. I managed to place a short here, pretty much here and here for quite a bit of volume. I also have a stop loss, obviously. And I think we'll move into the green, maybe even while we're watching the video. Everything I do, currently I'm doing this for free. All my signals, you can find them for free on my Telegram group. And I'm also sponsored by Bybit. If you want to trade with leverage, with the highest fees, highest leverage, use Bybit. You can find the link for it in the description down below. That's actually a really good setup. The reason why I took the ADA trade and sized up and moved like 5 grand to my futures account is because of this confirmation right here that we got on BTC. So I want to average it down because I bought it. I bought here first. Originally, I bought here. By the way, I bought here, dropped, I sold, then I bought again. Then it dropped. I didn't sell, bought in, averaged down, and now I'm waiting for a pump. I was down like another 1,000. I was down like 2.2 grand on these 5 grand. But I'm pretty confident in this position. And everyone's pulling out of the market. Everyone's talking about Shiba Inu going nowhere, BTC going to 26K, and that might be the case, but the Asian session is over. That's why I want to wait a little bit before creating the video. And Shiba Inu again basically managed to survive so far. We've got the support, the very strong support in the 500-600 area that we managed to hold again. So is this the end of for Shiba Inu? In my opinion, definitely not. Like absolutely, definitely not. It all comes down to timing and when you manage to enter the market. Like right now is a good time to enter the market. I did a live stream yesterday, and you guys asked me, is it a good time to sell here? Look, I'm no financial advisor, but this is not a good time to sell. It's already dumped too much for you to sell, right? Because if we go around here, there was at a rate where Bitcoin was trying to consolidate around the 31K. Just that people really got paper-handed and want to tether up before they went to sleep. US time zone, an Asian time zone managed to take advantage of that, and we saw this massive dip. That's pretty massive. Like people lost a lot of money during this dip. It's not a flash crash or anything. Oh, now we're up pretty much on the position, and there's no other YouTuber that will show you all his trades like this, losses. Oh, I forgot to show you the balance because of my camera. But yeah, you can see 50x, 47 grand position, but that's pretty much a 10x position because my liquidation is like 7% below the price. I just didn't change the leverage. I can adjust it. It doesn't matter really. I'm only down $70 right now. So yeah, this position is actually very interesting, but I gotta close it soon as well. Because that's just my strategy. I'm also looking into adding some shorts. Sorry, I just want to go through my thought process and be as transparent as possible. Stock traders 2%, range traders 40%. Yeah, one of the reasons why we're crashing is inflation, and the government that might be stopping the stimulus check. I just watched this video. You should definitely check it out by Graham Stephen. Inflation went from bad to worse. And basically what he's saying here is that they might stop the stimulus on stocks, and then stocks will go down, which is obviously, oh, now I'm up. That's interesting. I also need to close really soon. I'll wait to see how BTC react. But yeah, inflation rate is now the highest it's been since 2008. So people want to check their money in the market. But if there's no stimulus, the market will crash because, you know, COVID. Probably heard about that. And yeah, everyone is just down today. It takes, maybe you're up. If you bought FEVR like I did yesterday, you're up. We bought in pretty much around this area. Coded out yesterday on Twitter. Took some profits around this area and this area here. But yeah, I'm looking to re-enter on a dip. We didn't dip enough. Maybe if it goes here again, I'll buy in. RBT, we managed to make some profit on that, but barely any. It was a good hedge against the market, I guess. I think I'll have to close my position because everything pumped too hard. I'll wait for another leg. Or you know what? I won't wait for anything. I want to close at a small profit, but I don't mind because it pretty much overextended so far. From you know, 8 RSI to 64. It's pretty high. In a few seconds, I will close this order. We might see a bump. And I'm not looking to enter into shorts before I wait a few candles to be painted. Definitely, like right now, it's a very uncertain time because people really tethered up. And or as like Alex Becker said, they're into altcoins. It takes 8 years of school to become a doctor. So Shiba Inu right now, it's a buy. That's my opinion. Definitely a buy. Like all cryptos, pretty much everything that's good, that's on Binance right now, if it dipped hard, is a good buy. Would it be wise to leverage trade it? I don't think so. I'm doing this because I can afford to, and I have a system that for me works. I mean, I don't have any incentive to tell you that. I'm not sending a course, signals, or all I do is free. I'm just letting you know how I'm trading this dip. I might buy some Shiba Inu futures as well. I just want to get out of this position. So right now, what's going on is BTC definitely overextended. Like the max we can get, like the max is, it's really important right now that we hold the 28K area. That's the most important thing for BTC, which will result in good things for Shiba Inu. Something bad is Biden accuses Chinese state actors of ransomware, another Cold War, I guess. There's some things that are not that great about it. Oh, that's a random video that I want to watch. But yeah, the whole market looks like a buy. Definitely diversify properly. But margin trading isn't very, I mean, that's not something that I would encourage you to do. Oh, come on, it's already dipping. Didn't manage to sell, I guess, yet. Let's see. I gotta follow this very closely. It's not looking too good on the 1 minute candle. BTC isn't looking too good. If this drops even a little bit, yeah, now I'm down to 150 on this trade. So Shiba Inu right now, definitely a, in my opinion, a buy, and it's been like that for a while. Well, we're waiting for some cool stuff. We have a possible eToro listing, which should give us some wind behind our backs. So let's see how this all this plays out. There's a lot of volume being bought up, as you can see. The price action, and this is the same thing for the whole market. It's been the same for the whole market. As you can see here, Shiba Inu is pumping up Yeah, I bought some Doge futures as well in the morning, but that didn't play out too well. BTC is actually at a really good spot. I think this will be the recovery that we're looking for. I'll keep you updated on what happens throughout the day. If you appreciate me making these videos for free, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and I want to see you guys and girls in one of the next videos. Bye.